there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a showdown between the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be a wild ride. First things first, let's talk about the price. Neptune 3 Pro comes in at $249, while Ender 3v3 SE is a bit more wallet-friendly at $219. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the Ender 3v3 SE is your guy. Next up, printing size. Neptune 3 Pro offers a solid 225 by 225 by 280 millimeters build volume. It's just the right size for most users. The Ender 3v3 SE doesn't specify its dimensions as loudly, but it's comparable. So if size matters to you, they both got you covered. Now, if you're like me and can't stand the sound of a jet engine in your living room, Neptune 3 Pro boasts a noise level of just 47 to 48 decibels. It's like a whisper from a librarian. On the other hand, the Ender 3v3 SE also promises silent operation thanks to its 32-bit silent mainboard. So no need to crank up the volume on your TV to drown out the printer noise. Extruders, the heart of any 3D printer. Neptune 3 Pro flexes with its dual-gear direct drive extruder made of high-quality stainless steel. It's strong and reliable. The Ender 3v3 SE counters with its Sprite direct drive extruder, which is also quite robust. Both handle a variety of filaments like PLA, TPU, and PETG, so you'll be printing in no time. Auto leveling, because who wants to manually level a bed? Neptune 3 Pro uses a non-contact high-precision sensor to scan 36 points of the hotbed. It's like having a tiny robot butler doing the work for you. Ender 3v3 SE one-ups with its CR touch sensor for auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset. It's got more sensors than a smart home. Stability is key. Neptune 3 Pro features dual synchronized lead screws and dual motors on the Z-axis. It's like the synchronized swimming team of 3D printers, graceful and in sync. Ender 3v3 SE also has dual Z-axis lead screws and adds Y-axis linear shafts for extra stability. It's like having a personal trainer for your printer, keeping everything in perfect form. Ease of use is where these printers really shine. Neptune 3 Pro comes partially pre-assembled, and with its complete toolkit, you'll be up and running quickly. Ender 3v3 SE takes it a step further with just 3 steps to get started. It's so easy, even your grandma could do it. Let's not forget the extras. Neptune 3 Pro has smart resume printing and filament detection. It's like having a sixth sense for your 3D printing needs. Ender 3v3 SE also offers auto filament loading and unloading and power loss recovery. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Based on Amazon reviews, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is praised for its high-quality prints and ease of assembly, though some users noted drawbacks like a large print head and difficult SD card insertion. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is appreciated for its easy setup and user-friendly interface, but some users faced issues with faulty units and initial setup difficulties. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're Team Neptune or Team Ender, both of these printers pack a punch. If you're a bargain hunter, the Ender 3v3 SE might be your new best friend. But if you crave a bit more finesse and quieter operation, the Neptune 3 Pro is your go-to. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Buy Smart comparisons. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.